Good. Sydney, your word is going to be mom. Can you hop out mom? Excellent. Corey, come on over. Can you hop out the word cat? Almost. That was can. Try again. Come over here. Eli, come over next to her and help her out. You ready? You'll do it together. Scoot back. My friend should not be on the carpet. Back it up, please, Sydney. All right, Eli and Corey, you guys are going to hop next to each other. Sydney, you have to back up. Do you see where they're going to be hopping?
Yeah.
Scoot, scoot, scoot. Okay. All right, guys, here we go. We're going to do the word cat. Hop it out. Ready? Go. Very good. All right, one more. Let's have Olivia. Come on up.
I'm gonna try it again.
All right, Olivia. Your word is cup. Very good. Everyone say hi.